Thousands of students are heading back to school this week, and for those who attend many of the region's Catholic schools, masks are optional. Our Pepper Baker joins us with more on what parents have to say about that. Pepper?
Well, and some parents support the St. Louis Archdiocese school leaders' decision to make masks optional, but more than 600 people signed an online petition asking the Catholic institution to make it a requirement. After speaking to some of those concerned parents on Facebook, I got a health expert's opinion on what he recommends the safest practices are. In July, the Archdiocese of St. Louis announced its COVID-19 protocols, which included making masks optional in Catholic schools. Many parents support the school leaders' decision, while others created an online petition pushing for a universal mask requirement. More than 600 people signed, inching towards the 1,000 signatures goal. I spoke with a few over Facebook who didn't want to go on camera. One said, "I'm very disappointed in the mask optional policy," and another wrote, "If even one child could get COVID and die from no masks, shouldn't there be a mandate to require masks?"
I think masking is the way to go, as well as these other mitigation strategies that have been so effective during this entire pandemic since March of 2020.
Dr. Jason Newland, a Washington University pediatric infectious disease physician at St. Louis Children's Hospital, is working on Moderna vaccine trials for kids under the age of 12.
The FDA is wanting us to enroll even more participants than was originally thought of to make sure that the vaccine is safe. We are in the process of that. The hope is we'll get that done over the next 6 to 8 weeks.
Until those vaccines get approved by the Food and Drug Administration, he says the safest bet is to keep the mask on.
In the school environment, we learned last year very well is that if you wear a mask, you do some distancing, you wash your hands, and you stay home when you're sick, whether you're a student or staff member, we can make sure that COVID-19 transmission is rare in schools.
Now, a statement from the Archdiocese says they are leaving the decision up to each individual family and that each school will follow its own protocols based on the needs throughout the year. They encourage all eligible people to get the vaccine.